frequency, so there should be a match for orbitals to overlap. What is known as a linear combination of atomic orbitals should have a resonance between participating orbitals. I introduce resonance by telling that I need 10 seconds of absolute silence. People will cooperate. When I walk into a class, usually after math lecture, after one heavy dose of math, and IIT math is so brutal. Many students told me that they thought they knew math until they started taking MA 106. MA 106 is differential calculus. It's so hard. First couple of weeks they struggle and then they cover. So usually my lectures are went to silence. So I walk in after math lectures, class will be very noisy. What do? The class is very noisy. Silence, right? I don't do that. I will take the microphone. I will. Previous class we discussed. I use silence as a weapon to counter noise. I talk so soft that they will be tempted to be quiet so that they can hear what I am saying. What if I am saying something very important about upcoming exam or some announcement? So silence is used as a weapon. So I talk so softly. Class will become quiet because they have to listen to what I am saying. Then what I do? Can you hear me?